Hi there, this tutorial will show you how to create a URL redirect in Shopify. When you delete pages or change the URL for a specific page on your website, your shoppers will encounter a 404 error, which no one likes. With Shopify, you can easily create a URL redirect so that pages or products that no longer exist can still redirect your shop visitors to another page with no error. Let's say that we have a collection on the website called Gifts Under 30 that we no longer need. We can go ahead and delete this collection, but if this link was shared anywhere on social media or if someone comes across it via search engine results, it will create a 404 error. To avoid that, before you delete or change the URL of any page, product, or collection, copy the current URL. Now let's go to our Shopify dashboard and select Online Store, and then click on Navigation. On the upper right-hand side, you'll now select View URL Redirects and select Create URL Redirect. In the Redirect From section, paste the old URL that we copied. Next, we're going to select where we want this old URL to redirect us to. In the Redirect To section, we're going to enter the new URL. In this example, I am going to have this old collection redirect to the Shop All collection. I will copy the URL and then paste it in this field. Select Save Redirect. Now we can go back and delete the page or collection, or we can update the original URL to the new one we want to use. Quick side note, it's very important to always test your redirects. Go to the page with the 404 error and refresh. You should now be redirected to the new URL. It's that easy. Thanks for watching our Shopify how-to video. For more tutorials and resources, visit the Jelly Design Studio blog.